Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today what we're gonna be making is a ninja star made only from these two sheets of paper, as you can see. So what you're gonna start off by doing is make sure it's in the long way. This is just regular printer paper. Make sure it's on the long way, and then just get this corner on the edge so that it can make sure that this corner is perfectly like it's a triangle. So just do that first. Okay, so now that you have done that, just fold it like this, and now just get this excess off. You can use scissors, but I'm going to do it with my hand. Just like that. Just like this. Okay, now just open it, and now just do it with the other paper. Just like that, the same exact thing. Just like that. Okay, now just cut the excess off. Like that. Okay, so now that you have done that, you are going to fold one of them, just like fold it in half, just like so. Just like that. And you just do it with the other paper, just like this. Okay, so now just open them again. Just do it with the first one, like this. Just like that. And now fold this side to the half crease that we just made. Like that. Do it on the other side. Just like that, okay. Wait a second. And then just fold it in half. Okay, now do it with the other one. Just like that. Do it with the other side. Just like that. Just fold it down like that. And then what you're gonna do next is fold these this corner in the half and make sure this is down like that. Just fold it like that. Okay, now open it again and just do it with the other paper, just like that. Okay, so now that you have done that, what you're gonna do is just fold this side like this and this side like that. Just wait a second, please. Okay, so now we are going to fold this like that. It's not coming. Come on. Wait, actually, it's like, make sure this end is like that. As you can see, these two. Okay, just fold it like this. Then fold this one like that. Now, in the other one, you are going to do the opposite. Since you got it like that, what you're going to do is turn it down so that this will be on the top. What you're going to do is fold this up, just like that, and then fold this down. So as you can see, it's different, and this will because this, if you do the same, it won't become a ninja star. It will just become like a rectangle. Okay, so after you've done that, you just fold this side like this, fold it down like so, just like that. Do it with the other side. Just like that. Do the same thing with the other paper. Fold it like this. Again. Okay, so now that you have done that, what you are going to do is just fold it like this. Fold it like that. Just to make a little crease. Just like that. Okay. So now that you have done that, what you're gonna do is grab this one that make sure is like this is this, the top side is on this side and the bottom side is on that side. Not like the other one. This side is like that. This will matter because it won't make it, just like I said earlier, it will make it into just a rectangle. Okay? So you're gonna grab one with the one that has the triangle on the right side. Take it like this. Make sure it's in this side, not this side where it has these two flaps. Just like that. And then bring this side and then turn this around like this, and then turn it around like this. And now just put it on the piece of paper like that. Fold this side down and tuck it into this right here. Just like that. And then you tuck this side in and tuck it into the pocket that we just made here. Just like that. Okay. Now you fold this bottom side here into this flap, this pocket. Wait, there's a little something blocking it right here. Okay. And now just do it with the last side. There'll be a pocket right here. Just like that. And you just crease it down. Just like this. Okay. And you're done. So what you can do is like you can basically just color it or do whatever you want with it, and please make sure to not throw it at someone's eye or something. You could poke them and it would like literally hurt them so much because these are so pointy. Well, except for that one. But, okay. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. I'll be making more videos like this. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you later. Bye.